in the spooky visit ghost train.
You want me to read this one?
I want the ghost in the castle too.
Yeah. Okay. This is Henry and the Ghost Train.
Train. Ghost train.
Yeah. Okay.
Go.
I'll read it for you.
What happened that?
Yeah. Okay. A fair had come to the island of Sodor. Men had set up stalls and rides near the junction. A notice on one of them said it was a ghost train. At the station, everyone was talking about ghosts. "What is a ghost train?" asked Henry. "It is a tunnel that trains run through," his driver explained. "It's full of ghosts and other spooky things." "I'm not scared of stupid old ghosts," Henry said, but he did not want to meet one just in case. That evening, Henry's driver told him, "Part of the tunnel roof has collapsed. The fat controller says we must take some men to clear away the rubble." "Butter," grumbled Henry. "I was looking forward to rest." Still grumbling, Henry pushed 2 trucks and a van. "Hey, wait, I'm not finished yet, Sam." And a van full of workmen into the tunnel. Oh, he was going nicely when suddenly there was a loud clunking noise. "Your tender is off the line," said his driver.
He's a driver.
Yeah, maybe this one. I don't know. "We must have run into some rubble. We can't go forward and we can't go back. We shall have to wait until the fat controller can sort something out."
Ghost!
It was very quiet in the tunnel. The workmen walked home and Henry dozed. But he woke up with a start. He was moving. "Ooh," wailed a ghost. Wailed a ghostly voice, and a white shape floated towards him.
Look at his hand!
Yeah, Henry was terrified. His wheels were shaking, but he hurried on. Then he saw a station ahead.
A zombie!
Oh, a zombie. Then he saw a station ahead.
A cat!
Yeah. Let me finish the reading.
A skeleton!
Yeah. Then he saw a station
Ba
ahead.
ba 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 ba.
Yeah.
Vampire.
Yeah, it is. Hey, Seth, what is that? What does that say? Okay, we'll continue reading. Then he saw a station ahead. He felt much better now. He slowed down to stop. But when he saw what was on the platform, he did not want to. And this one, the station had a skeleton staff. Ooh, in a very thin controller. And waiting to catch the train was a vampire. Where's the vampire? Oh, they're all skeletons.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah.
There.
And there was a bird in there. They're all ghosts.
And there's a skeleton there.
Oh, yeah. They're all skeletons. That's very great.
A ghost was hungry.
Okay, let me read. When he heard boop boop in the distance, Henry felt better. "That sounds like Gordon," he said. But it was a ghostly, shadowy Gordon who rushed towards him with a scream and a roar. Just as Henry felt he could bear no more, he heard his driver's voice. "Wake up, Henry," the driver said. "Your tender is back on the line. We can go home now." Ah, Henry was just dreaming. It wasn't true. and Sam. Yeah. Henry was delighted. He went quickly back to the shed and had a long drink of water. He felt better after that. But he was careful not to tell the other engines about the ghost ride. He was sure they would laugh at him. Ah,
Oh, that's the Henry.
the end.
He's an old skeleton.
Yeah, it's a skeleton with the bats behind him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And under the bum bum.
Bum bum. Stinky bum bum. Yeah. Yes. Okay, that's the end now. Going.
Percy.
Percy? Yeah.
Another Percy.
Oh, there's nothing there.
That is Thomas.
Thomas.
Oh, that is your Thomas.
Yeah.
Oh, Party Thomas.
Where's James?
James there.
There. Wow. Okay.
There's another Henry there.
Yeah. Okay.
There's another Thomas there.
Okay. Oh no! What happened, Seth? Oh, you fell down.